nutritionist, and I'm in the kitchen with Chef Melissa. And today, Melissa, tell us what we're going to make right here.
Today, it's all about plant-based eats, and we are about to prepare my jackfruit stew, which will then get converted into jackfruit tacos, followed by making a delicious chipotle aoli, all using vegan ingredients.
Excellent. I get a lot of vegan clients that are always looking for plant-based options that have a lot of protein in them, and this is definitely going to be a great one.
And for those that have actually never seen or worked with jackfruit, so I opened up the can and I drained out the excess liquid, and I also rinsed it to get off any extra salt. But the actual jackfruit clusters, I almost say that they kind of look like artichoke hearts.
They do.
So the way that I prep them, like here, Linda, if you want to give it a shot.
Yeah, let's see. I've never actually had jackfruit, so.
Well, here you go. It's a first for everything. And so as you pull it apart, it almost looks like tuna fish or
chicken maybe?
Chicken or pulled pork.
And then jackfruit tends to be a little bit higher in protein too versus other fruits.
Yes, definitely. It's not super high, but definitely for a fruit, it has a good amount of nutrition. 3 grams per cup. Mm-hmm. So that's also why I actually include other protein-rich ingredients in this dish. So I incorporate broccoli, which is a great natural plant-based source of protein, as well as chickpeas, which almost all legumes, I'm sure you agree, right?
Yes.
They're also a great source of protein as well.
It smells good too.
Mm-hmm.
It smells really yummy. It's sweet.
It's kind of sweet, a little tangy, and oops, here's a couple more pieces in there for us.
Good. Yeah, it smells great.
And I actually purchased this at Trader Joe's, and I believe more and more retailers are starting to serve the canned jackfruit. I haven't personally worked with a real jackfruit yet, but I think it's a little bit more labor intensive than this.
Yeah, it's kind of a funny looking fruit. It's spiky and big and kind of ugly, but it smells like it tastes really good.
Yes. So now that we have the jackfruit all shredded and in there, the next thing I'm going to do is pour on broccoli.
Great.
Then a lovely can of organic chickpeas. All ingredients today are organic, except the jackfruit. I do not believe I'm able to source organic jackfruit.
And then the chickpeas definitely boost up the protein in the meal.
Yes.
So all of you plant-based people out there will love this. It
And
smells
then
good.
this is a vegan barbecue sauce. So I pour about a half a bottle over the dish, and then I turn on the oven, or stovetop rather.
That's good.
Yeah. And then I just incorporate all the ingredients, and I just let that sit and heat for about 5 minutes or so. And once that's incorporated, voila, there you have a nice plant-based jackfruit stew.
Would you add any other seasonings to it if you wanted to get a little more creative with it at home?
You could. I'm a big fan of using fresh herbs.
Okay.
So, as a matter of fact, I do top the tacos with fresh cilantro. I do some diced up fresh cilantro, which makes it a nice bright flavor, and it gives it that Mexican kind of zing that goes with it. But you could also eat this over cauliflower rice.
Okay.
So we keep it, paleo friendly, low grain, low carb, but definitely lots of different options to get creative and kind of make this your own.
Absolutely. Smells good.
So, moving down the line over here, now we're going to build my chipotle aioli. Okay. So, 4 ingredients: vegan mayo, as well as Dijon mustard. And I just realized I lied because I do not have maple syrup on me today. So this is my almost vegan chipotle aioli because I have honey.
Okay.
But you can use maple syrup to make this totally plant-based friendly.
Excellent. Also too, honey has some great health benefits to it. Antioxidants, anti-inflammatory. Mm-hmm. I guess we're going to use a little sriracha also.
Yeah, give it a little heat.
Sriracha is great because it adds a thermogenic effect too to foods, which helps speed up fat burning. So if you're trying to lose weight, it's great to add red pepper, Red pepper to things, or hot sauce.
Definitely anything, that has heat, has cacacein in it, which helps to heat and warm up the insides.
Right.
And especially in the cold weather months, it's a warming food. So it'll definitely help to kind of keep your body warm.
Excellent.
So far what I've done here is I put about a half a cup of the vegan mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of honey Dijon.
Great.
Now I'm going to throw in about a tablespoon or so.
And mustard is great to put in so many different recipes because it just gives you a lot of flavor without adding a lot of fat and calories to it. So,
definitely, and mustard seed, sorry to cut you off, is also very nutritious as well. That's about a tablespoon
Nice.
of sriracha. Gives it a nice little kick. And then all I do is
Blend that all up together.
blend it all up. Yep.
And then you can put more hot in it too if you want more spicy.
And usually you can tell
If you're a
the
little more
heat.
spicy.
100%. And you can actually tell the heat by the color.
Okay.
This one actually I think is pretty hot because it's a little bit more red.
Right.
More red than usual. I think I did a little extra heat, but that's okay. If it's a little bit more pink, then it would be just a little hot and not overly spicy. But this one's actually perfectly balanced.
Great.
You want to try a, here, give me your finger.
Oh, yes.
Try a little drop.
That's really good. That's really, really good.
Thank you.
I would make it a little bit hotter. That's good though.
And that's the thing, everybody has their personal preference.
Excellent.
So, as you can see, in less than 5 minutes, this is heated up and we are ready to plate. So as you can see now,
Yes.
in less than 5 minutes, while I was preparing the aioli, this is nice and hot.
It's been simmering. It looks great.
Simmering.
It smells really good.
Very aromatic. And then, yep, here we go. We're just gonna put a little bit on each taco. And
Hot sauce.
a little bit of this. And then some fresh cilantro.
That's great for appetizers too. Having a party.
Mm-hmm,
You
definitely.
could put these out.
Totally great for all year round, entertaining, really. And then, voila, there you go. Jackfruit tacos with chipotle aoli and fresh cilantro.
Very nice.
Would you like to try one?
Absolutely.
Be my guest.
That's really good.
Thank you.
Very,
And now
very
you've
good.
tried jackfruit.
I know.
Yay!
Now I can say that now. Awesome.
Alrighty. Well, thanks so much for being here with me today,
Thank you
Linda.
for showing us this.
And stay tuned for more from yours truly, Chef Via Melissa and nutritionist Linda Stevens. See you.